Here I have Nokia X20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap here to go to its settings. Here you have watermark, so firstly you have to enable it, and here you can customize your watermark. You can add your personal message, like type anything you want. You can also can have device name and some secondary info, maybe something like that. Whoa, you can even change the style of your personal message. Nice. Just look at it. Unbelievably cool. And now every photo you take will be marked with this kind of your personal watermark, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.